apartment. I'm gonna leave the floor wet.
Hey guys, this is Lexiana here and welcome back to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are new. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a home decor haul because I newly moved to a new apartment and I really needed some new decor to, you know, give my new space an uplift. So I went ahead and purchased some items from Wayfair, Target, Ikea, Amazon, all that good stuff. If you guys are interested in this moving series here on my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to come back for more videos. Also, if you want to head over to my vlogging channel, I have a more in-depth moving process and more organizing and decorating videos over there as well. So go ahead and check those out. Go ahead and check that channel out. It'll be up there in the cards. So let's go ahead and get right into the haul. So the first thing I picked up from Target was definitely some new pillows. I feel like you can never have too many pillows for your for your bed. And it was definitely something that was a necessity and a need for me to just start over with my new space because I needed new pillows. Like once you have them for a while and you traveling with them, I think it's just time for you just to throw them out and start over. And you're not supposed to keep pillows for that long. I've had my pillows for I believe 2 years, so it was definitely time for me to just throw those away and start fresh. The next thing I got was my bedding. I really wanted to do a minimalistic clean look for my new space, so I went with this white and like grayish black marble kind of texture. I was gonna do a plain white bedding for my bed, but I was just like, plain white, I'm just like, I want to take that leap of grown-up and faith to keep it clean 24/7, but I just know that it's not an ideal space, ideal thing to have in my room, and then over time it gets so dingy. I just felt like it was best to just get something that had a little bit of color in it. So I got this from Amazon and it's a microfiber quilt set. So I'm really excited to put this on my bed and see how this kind of like opens up and brights my room up, just for being like a bright bedding compared to my last one. So something that I always need all the freaking time is hangers. Like I go through a lot of hangers, so I ordered like 4 of these. I kid you not, 4 gray hangers, and I like the light gray ones just to keep like the aesthetic and the color scheme going in my room, from Target. So these are 2 of them. I already have 2 filled up with clothes, so I'm probably gonna have to go ahead and order more from Target. The next thing was, because I wanted to keep my space like really open and clean, I didn't want a big dresser. I've always hated dressers. I'm not a dresser girl at all. I knew I didn't want to bring a new desk back into my space, so I've been really using like this kind of like cubby organizer aesthetic to my advantage. So I went on Amazon and I purchased these like white cubes, once again just keeping the white clean aesthetic going, and I got these cubes there that have the handles on both sides, so I can pull those out. So I got, I want to say 8 of these that I can use and store things in, like papers and documents, as well as hats or belts or anything that I would like normally put in a dresser would be in the cubes to keep things much more organized. Okay, so the next thing I got from Amazon, and I got some more pillowcases. I'm like a really furry pillow type of girl. I currently have like a blush pink heart pillow that is on my bed that I'm trying to debate if I'm gonna keep it or throw it away, but I do know that I wanted to keep the same like furry pillow aesthetic going on. So I got 2 of these black fluffy pillows, and I'm gonna just put my pillows in, my Christmas pillows in, to fill them up and to just have as nice throw pillows on my bed to just bring my aesthetic a little bit more. So that's also something that I got from Amazon. I've been obsessed with like really keeping the color coding and, you know, a grown-up aesthetic going on. So gold is one of the main colors that I'm using here in my room. So I wanted to get these heavy duty gold hangers that I can put on my clothing rack that is actually like outside of my closet, so when you walk in you see the hangers and the hangers still kind of go with the aesthetic. Currently I do have like some rose gold and gray fabric hangers, but since I'm changing the aesthetic of my room, I had to get some gold hangers. I know I'm a little extra, but I got this 10-pack from Amazon, and I didn't pay that much from it, but everything will be linked down below in the description box. So if you're interested in purchasing anything that you see, you can go ahead and snag it from any of the sites that I mentioned. The thing that I got was from Ikea. Remember I was telling you guys about the bedding. I wanted to keep things like very white, open, adult-like and airy. So I did pick up a pack of white sheets just to have, so when it gets a little bit more warmer outside, having white sheets and cooler things on it just makes you sleep better, and just to have that grown-up aesthetic, like I said, of just white sheets. So I just got some cheaper ones from Ikea, just to throw in my bed, because I know within like a few months I'm gonna have to go ahead and throw these out anyway. So I got that, and this comes with the sham, the actual fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. So this was a good pickup. I also got 2 mini
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
emerald green velvety pillowcases to just have as another, you know, accent pillow on my bed. It matches the green chair that I have, which is the main focal point here in my room. So I just wanted to have some more throw pillows on my bed. You know, the more pillows, the better for me. So that's like about 4 or 5 pillows now that are just off rip that I'm gonna have just for decor, and I'm loving it. To just keep my, you know, minimalistic thing going, I got this really pretty cosmetic organizer from Amazon. It's glass and it's gold, and it's just, for me, I'm not like a everyday makeup girl. I don't wear a lot of products, so I wanted something that was just really clean, simplistic, and easy to clean as well. With this being glass, I can clean this better than the plastic ones, so it could just hold, you know, probably like an everyday lip, mascara, my Prue Beauty lashes, of course, my Fenty foundation and concealer, and then like a beauty blender and setting spray. So just something that I can have like my everyday makeup things in, have it out on display, and with them in little cubbies, and then the makeup that I would do like a full look on, or like eyeshadows and stuff like that that I don't need normally every day, I would just have it tucked away in my makeup box. I also got a cute little glass decorative tray as well. For this, I just want to add like my essentials, like my skincare, all my skincare on here. Definitely like my favorite perfumes and everything. And this is just something, again, that's just gonna sit within the cubbies that serves as like my dresser in my room, just to have my items in, you know, real cute, real decorative. And I thought this would be perfect to just stick with the gold aesthetic I had going on within the room. And then I ordered these things from Amazon, and I thought they were going to be way bigger than what they were when it got to me. However, they're not. They're really mini. Thought they were going to be big enough to be coasters, but they're gorgeous. They're like little crystal, not even crystals, little plates. Crystal plates, I guess you could say. I haven't decided what I was going to do with these. I can put them like in a picture or just have them laying around for an aesthetic, but this was something that I picked up that I thought would be cute to have just like as a coaster in my room. But it came a little bit smaller than expected. The main goal for me in my room was to have things more accessible and out on display, because I feel like for me, if it's out of sight, it's out of mind, and I don't use it, or I keep rebuying, repurchasing things. So I definitely wanted to get this to have like cute tips in it, and you know, be really cute. And then this one hold like the what is it? The little sponges that I use to put my skincare on or my makeup or anything like that. So just have 2 of these and have these out, you know, to just grab my items and be real cute. Normally I would have it like in my bathroom, on like my bathroom vanity, but because I do have a co-sharing space, it's best to have those things in my room and just have them more accessible to myself. They're from Amazon, and when I picked it up, when I was looking on it online, it looked, of course, so much better than how it looks once you get the item. So I'm obsessed with skulls, so I really wanted to like a sugar skull to just have like as a cute little decor piece. So I got this freaking skull from Amazon, and when it got here, I absolutely hated it. I was like, ew, this is so ugly. It doesn't even go with the gold aesthetic. It looks weird. Still gives me some of those vibes, but I decided to just keep it and just have it on display. It's really weird, but I love skulls, so I'm just like, you know, why not just keep it? So I got that. This is like one of those weird pieces and weird items you just have in your room to just bring your character and personality within your space. And then last but not least, I did get some light bulbs for my lamp that I just want to share with you guys. I did get the vintage style amber glass warm candle light. I don't like light. I'm not a light person at all. So when the evening comes and I do have to turn on my lamp, I like it to be more of like a warmer tones and cooler tones. So I got the vintage light and stuff like that to get more specs and details like on the lamps, the chair, even this plant, or even some more items that I have not shown you guys in this video. Go ahead and subscribe and come back for more videos, because I will be giving you guys a full room tour, and in my room tour I will discuss some of the elements that I did leave out in this video. This was just briefly some of the things that I've had, and I wanted to record a quick little haul for you guys. But of course, when I give the room tour, it'll be way more in depth, and I'll give you guys way more specs on where I got things. But if you do want to get any of the things that I mentioned here in this video, everything will be linked down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.